In this video I will show you how to add users and groups to our NextCloud. Just to say it first, only admins have the access to add users and groups or to delete users and groups. Other members are not able to do this. When you enter NextCloud, you reach this dashboard, and from this dashboard go to the upper right corner where you see your personal icon. Under this icon you will find a menu, and when you open this menu you see the menu button Users. Click it and you will enter the user area. On the right side you see the existing users. On the left side you see the existing groups, and here you see you can add a group or you can add a new user. And these both buttons are to see everybody from our group, and you also see this part. It's called admins. Admin is not a group. It is a what I should say, a origin group that is there, that must be there to organize NextCloud. So you can't change admin. This is an existing group that nobody can change or delete or something else. So let's start and add a group. To add a group, go on this button and it opens an input field. And here let's start with a group called teacher. It doesn't matter whether it is written in uppercase or lowercase. It works both. When it's ready, go to the right arrow, click it, and the group teacher is now existing. You see, the group teacher doesn't contain any users. So go back to everyone and you will see again all the existing users. Now let's first start and see how to add an existing user to the group teacher. For example, Thomas Gerlach is a teacher. Let's add him to the group teacher. And his user bar, go to the pencil where it says edit user, click it, and now you see this section group. That's groups. Here you see he is almost added to the group Cloud Mosaics Multiply. When you click in this group, you see all the existing groups, and now we want to add him as a teacher. The only thing I have to do is to check this, and that's all. Now go to this button and say it's done, and he's almost in the group teacher. And here you see teacher has now one member. Let's make it again. I also want to add Sylvie to the teachers. Go to her name, go to the pencil where it says edit user. Now go to this section groups, click in her group field and check teacher. Now sometimes, because she is an admin, I'm asked to enter my password. It's a secure issue. I enter my password and it's almost done. And again, you see we have now two teachers. When we go in the group, we see Thomas Gerlach and Sylvie are member of the group teacher. Okay, now let's add a new user. You see this button, new user. Let's click it. And now you see only a few input groups on top of the list. And here we have to add the things that should be added. The username. Let's say we call it test user. The display name, Jando. I just want to add a password. Email should be added because every time when something happens that concerns this person, he will get an email. So it's good to add this field email to the account. But it's also possible when the account is existing, the person can enter his account and add these information, or for example change his password. So let's keep it open and add the group that he should be part of. I would say he is part of Cloud Mosaics Multiply. This is a group that the whole group should be a member of. So if we want to give an information to everybody, we can give this information to cloud.mosaics multiply, so everybody gets this information. Or for example, if there is a meeting for everybody, we can give this to the group Cloud Mosaics Multiply, so everybody will get this. And we also will add this person as a teacher. This is responsible for when somebody is admin for a specific group. Only these persons should be added here as an admin, for example, for the group teacher. Last field is the quota. You can relate the person to a maximum quota of disk space. You see there are 1 GB, 5 GB, 10 GB, or unlimited. Let's keep it unlimited and add this user with this checkbox. Takes a while. And now we have added this person to our user group. And you see he is part of the user group Cloud Mosaics Multiply and also teacher. So now this person is existing. We should send the new member information of his username and the password, so he can enter this part of NextCloud. I hope this will help you to add new user or new groups. If you have any questions, please let me know. I would like to help you. Thank you. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next one.